Hey everyone! Did you know you can transform your home for fall without breaking the bank? That's right. Today, I'm going to show you how to create some amazing DIY fall decor using items from Dollar Tree. So grab your coffee, and let's get crafty. Alright, so let's dive into the world of DIY fall decor. We all love the cozy vibes of autumn, but sometimes it can be tough to find decorations that don't cost a fortune. That's where Dollar Tree comes in. I'm super excited to share how easy and affordable it is to create stunning fall decorations that will have your home looking festive in no time. Now, let's talk about a common challenge we all face. It can be so hard to find budget-friendly fall decorations that not only look great but also elevate your space. You want your home to feel warm and inviting, but you also don't want to blow your budget. I totally get it. But don't worry, I've got some fantastic solutions that won't empty your wallet. So, I went on a little shopping spree at Dollar Tree, and I found some amazing items to use for our fall decor. First up, we've got some colorful faux leaves, mini pumpkins, and cute little signs. These items are perfect for creating that autumn vibe. You can combine them in so many creative ways. For example, grab a mason jar, fill it with the faux leaves, and add a little tea light on top. It's such a simple yet stunning centerpiece. Now, let's get to the fun part. My absolute favorite DIY project from this haul is a fall wreath. It's super easy to make, and it'll look incredible on your front door. Here's how you do it. Start with a plain grapevine wreath from Dollar Tree. Then, take those colorful faux leaves and attach them to the wreath using hot glue. You can also add in some mini pumpkins for that extra touch. Finally, finish it off with a cute ribbon to hang it up. And voila! You've got a gorgeous fall wreath that cost you less than $10. To wrap it up, we've showcased some fantastic DIY projects today that are perfect for fall. Remember, with just a few inexpensive items from Dollar Tree, you can create beautiful decorations that reflect your creativity and style. So don't let a tight budget hold you back from making your home feel cozy and festive this season. Before you go, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What are your favorite DIY ideas for fall? Drop a comment below and let me know. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more budget-friendly decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!